During my time working in high-end and luxury homes, I was continually in awe of the designs and materials used in the bathrooms and shower enclosures. I can still vividly remember walking into some of these grand residences and being completely overwhelmed by the floor-to-ceiling marble, the golden tapware, the diamonds, or the spectacular views. The spaces were extravagant, but somehow here I was, a quietly confident New Zealand trained glazier, tasked and trusted with installing the key element to this absolute masterpiece. I believe the shower enclosure is the key element to finishing and completing a successful bathroom renovation. The perfect design, orientation, material and workmanship is the secret to ensuring that the shower screen proudly takes centre stage while not being obtrusive for any of the wrong reasons. My team and I take this responsibility seriously, and I aim to provide each bathroom with the perfect shower screen it greatly deserves. I am Gene Graham. I'm the owner and operator here at Economy Glass in Hoppers Crossing.